In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert the slope formula into your discussion post. Click to make sure that your cursor is in the location where you want the slope formula to be inserted, and then go to the right-hand side of your toolbar to the three dots. Click that because it will show you these hidden icons, and you're going to look for that second drop box. That second drop arrow is hiding all the equation editors, and we're looking for the graphical equation. That's the one I'm going to show you how to use, although you could use the latex equation is another one that you could use. This graphical equation is more intuitive to use, I think. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to show you this insert equation box. It's going to come up with lots of little icons up here, and you can explore there as you would wish. But as you know, the slope formula is a fraction. So the first thing I'm going to locate is the fraction button, which is up here in the upper left-hand corner. So I'm going to click that, and then the numerator is y sub 2 minus y sub 1, so the difference of the y's, right? So I'm going to click, I'm going to type y in my keyboard. Then I'm going to locate the subscript icon, which is this one. I'm going to click that. Notice it shows up, it brings up that little rectangle there. And that's where I'm going to put the 2. And then I'm going to use the right arrow on my keyboard to get out of that subscript mode. And notice how my icon got a little bigger. And then I'm going to type my subtraction, right, from my keyboard. Here's my second y variable. I'm going to click the subscript again, type the 1. Okay, now I'm going to use the down arrow on my keyboard to get to the denominator. And I'm going to repeat the process, but this time I need x sub 2. So here I am using my there's my right arrow, there's my subtraction, there's my x. I'm going to hit the subscript again and put the 1 there. And now I'm ready to insert that slope formula into my post. So I'm going to click on the insert button here, and notice how that will show up here in my post. The other thing is that, as you know, the slope formula is between the 2 points. So let me come up here and type that in. So now I'm gonna do this process again. I'm gonna put in the coordinates of the 2 points. So I'm back to clicking to insert my equation. This time I need the parentheses, and my order pairs are x sub 1, comma. Again, there's my right arrow. Then I hit the comma, y sub 1. So I'm inserting that first order pair. So there it is. And now I'm going to go back to my equation editor here, repeat the process with my second order pair, which is x sub 2, and then the right arrow, comma, y sub 2. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So then I'm going to insert that. Between x sub 1 and x sub 2 is, I probably needed an m equals here. Okay, so then I edited my post. So now it says, however, the slope formula between x1, y1, and x2, y2 is given by, and then I put in m equals in front of my little fraction, and now that looks good. I hope this helps.